Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Welcome to this sacred space. Today we're going to journey inward to explore the energy of healthy love, interdependence, and opening ourselves to receive connection and support. Let's begin with a deep breath in through the nose, holding for a moment, and a slow exhale out through the mouth. In through your nose, holding for a moment, and a slow exhale out through your mouth. Breathing deep in through your nose, holding for a moment, and a slow exhale out through the mouth. Letting each breath guide you deeper into stillness. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet into the earth, anchoring you in stability and grounding you in to the present moment. Continue to breathe at a natural rhythm, allowing each breath to take you deeper into a meditative state. Bring your awareness to your heart space. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing. A light of love, connection, and authenticity. Silently or aloud, repeat the intention. I open myself to healthy love. I allow myself to give and receive care, connection, and support in alignment with my highest good. I open myself to healthy love. I allow myself to give and receive care, connection, and support in alignment with my highest good. Feel this intention expanding in your heart space, filling your chest and radiating outward. As you continue to breathe into this sacred space, visualize a river flowing through your body, gently washing away any resistance, fear, or old patterns that block you from experiencing deep connection. As the river flows, it carries away anything that no longer serves you. The fear of being vulnerable, the belief that you must do it all alone, the wounds that keep you guarded. Watch as the water clears, cleanses, and purifies your energetic body and physical vessel of all that no longer serves you or your desire to receive healthy love. Affirm silently or aloud, I release all that keeps me from love. I trust that I am safe to connect and be seen. I release all that keeps me from love. I trust that I am safe to connect and be seen. Now imagine a radiant light above you, a symbol of universal love, support, and connection. See this light pouring down over you like a gentle waterfall, filling every cell in your body with warmth and care. This is the love of the universe, infinite and unconditional. Feel it wrap around you, hold you, and remind you that you are never alone. Pause and allow yourself to bask in this light, breathing deeply and receiving its energy fully. Affirm, I am worthy of love and support. I open my heart to receive with ease and grace. I am worthy of love and support. I open my heart to receive with ease and grace. Continuing to breathe, bring your mind to someone you love or a relationship where you desire deeper connection. Imagine them standing in front of you, surrounded by their own light, and repeat silently or aloud, from my heart to yours, I send love, care, and understanding. May our connection be grounded in trust, open communication, and mutual support. Picture an energetic cord of light between your heart and theirs, flowing with warmth and positivity. Repeat silently, I show up with love and clarity. I invite the same into my relationships. I show up with love and clarity. I invite the same into my relationships. Expand this vision to include all of your relationships, allowing the cords of light to connect with everyone you care about, creating a web of interdependence and love. Continuing to breathe, visualize a guide or presence stepping forward now. This could be an angel, ancestor, spirit animal, or simply a symbol of wisdom. Ask this guide, what do I need to know to open myself to love and connection? How can I show up as my highest self in my relationships? Pause to receive any words, images, or feelings that come. Trust what you sense, even if it's subtle. The time to listen is now. Thank your guide for their insight and feel their presence staying with you as a source of support and love. Return your awareness to your breath, taking 3 deep breaths to anchor the energy of this meditation into your body. Place your hands over your heart and silently repeat, I am love. I am supported. I am open to healthy, nurturing relationships in all forms. Imagine the golden light of your heart radiating outward, blessing you and all of your connections. Continuing to breathe. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels right, open your eyes. Carry this energy of love, connection, and interdependence with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.